Well, here we are at the Mount Washington Auto Road. I'm finally getting to do this, I hope.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Doing well today. How about yourself?
Oh, a little sore.
Yeah.
Haven't ridden much this year, and this has been a lot.
Right, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure it's a lot on you, but hey.
And we're off. All right, this is 100% paved. It's no longer gravel anymore. Hey, they got gas. Wow, the smell of brakes. Tip to car drivers, don't ride your brakes. Slow down, stay in low gear, get off the brakes, let them cool. Repeat. Chipmunk. Reminds me of the time my daughter and I were out west following this guy in his pickup truck pulling his monster RV, and the smoke was just billowing. He never knew it until we got stopped at a construction zone, and then after being there a few seconds, just all of a sudden all the doors flew open. They come running out looking at everything and decided to pull off the road for a bit. Sign back there says we're entering the fragile alpine zone. Well, I think the views are going to be better on the way down. Wow. Mile 4. You know, I forgot to look up how many miles this even is. You know, in a way, this right through here reminds me on the way up to Spruce Knob in West Virginia. It's the highest point in West Virginia if you ever get out that way. Definitely feel the temperature drop a little bit, which is good because I have, wow, been crazy sweaty. Getting stuck in all the tourist traffic back there in town. Hey, we're at 4,000 feet. Now this has to be the way to get to the top. That's pretty cool. Here we are at Tip Top House. And then you've got a line if you want to take your picture with the sign. Don't think I'm going to do that. Couldn't ask for a much better weather day. Almost no wind up here. I guess that's not normal for this place. Yep, much better views on the way down. Oh, 7 miles, okay. Now we know. I'm guessing ski slopes? And just like that, there's trees again. Ooh, turnouts ahead. Stop to cool brakes. I smell somebody's brakes. Radiator springs. For radiators only. Well, I found the source of the brakes. It's either the Honda or the Tesla. I don't know which. Tesla's on the brakes a whole lot more. Yeah, you should both probably pull over for a little bit. Well, we're about done with this, so if you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, mash that subscribe button down below. We are back up to 73 degrees. We had a low of 59 at the top. And as sweaty as I got, and that 59 felt pretty chilly, but almost no wind, like I said earlier, which is really surprising because this place is known for wind, but I'm not complaining. I had picture perfect weather for today. Hopefully if you come, you do too. This is on your bucket list. Highly recommend it. Not a place I would see me coming back to over and over and over. But, you know, maybe if I brought the wife back, sure. But not a place I'm just going to come to over and over and over. If you haven't done it, like I said, please do. I don't think you'll regret it. Alright, we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.